In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Samsung phone with the buttons. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do it with literally any Samsung phone you have. It doesn't matter. For example, I'm on my S25 Ultra right now. So what I want to go ahead and do is on the right side of my phone, I'm going to see the two volume up buttons, like volume up and volume down. And then I'm going to see my power button under them. What I want to do is long press at the same time my volume down button and my power button together. Hold them down and you're going to be brought to this screen. So if you want to turn off, all you got to do is obviously press power off. If you're only turning off to restart again, then just press restart because it will just, save you some time. And what you could also do if you don't want to be using the buttons is swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to see your control panel. You're going to see a lot of different things here, but at the very top right, you're going to see the power button. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to bring you to the same screen again where you can power off, restart, emergency call, and obviously have any medical info as well. Let's say if you got in an accident or anything like that, someone could press medical info to get info about you. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it.